Is the constant stream of stock market reports ever overwhelming? Do not feel alone. In the deluge of news, it's easy to lose track of the important stories that drive market movements. To avoid becoming overwhelmed, how can you keep ahead of the game? Rest assured, we are going to reveal the best websites that will provide you with up-to-date information and make staying informed a breeze. We will take care of you whether you are a complete novice or a professional. Let's begin right away. Number 1. Yahoo Finance. Now, we'd like to have you look at Yahoo Finance. You've probably heard of it before. You won't find a more well-liked source for financial news than this website, but how is it different from similar products? If you want to keep on top of the stock market, you should check out this website. It has everything you need: stock quotes, news, charts, and even videos. Okay, now we'll dissect it. To begin, the interface of Yahoo Finance is really simple and straightforward. Everyone from complete market novices to seasoned pros will find it incredibly user-friendly. Optimal aspect? You may grasp the material without any prior knowledge. With a few clicks, you may access the most recent headlines and updates thanks to the well-organized news categories. For keeping tabs on big market shifts, it's perfect. The stock tracking features, however, are Yahoo Finance's true differentiator. Make your own stock watch list, keep up with the newest trends, and get price change alerts, all from the comfort of your own home. It's as convenient as having your very own stock market dashboard in one spot. Their video component should also be mentioned. Yahoo Finance has you covered if you like watching news updates instead of reading them. Watching their video reports is a great way to stay up to date on all the newest news while you're on the move. The community is another reason why we enjoy using Yahoo Finance. You can find other investors, learn about certain stocks, and even receive suggestions in these groups. Joining a group like this is a fantastic way to learn more about the industry and make connections with people who share your enthusiasm. If you're looking for fast updates, Yahoo Finance is great. But what if you want more in-depth analysis? We've got a website that can handle that for you. We'll get into that in a bit. Number 2. Market Watch. When you want to go deeper into the market, Market Watch is the place to go. If Yahoo Finance is your go-to for the essentials, providing in-depth analysis of the stock market and a macro perspective of the financial landscape is the main focus of this site. When planning your day, why not include Market Watch? To begin with, it contains an abundance of insightful news pieces. In addition to the standard stock news, MarketWatch delves into macroeconomic trends, industry changes, and market dynamics at large. Expert opinion is available on MarketWatch to explain the how and why of a stock's rise or fall. MarketWatch's coverage of financial happenings is another great thing about it. Whether it's a government statement or an earnings report, you'll find all the information you need here. It is highly recommended that you visit the site every day if you're truly interested in grasping the broader perspective and remaining abreast of significant changes. The ability to filter stocks is just one more fantastic feature of MarketWatch. The stock screener allows active investors and those seeking fresh opportunities to select stocks according to specified criteria, such as sector, market cap, or dividend yield. If you want to identify stocks that fit your investing objectives, it's a wonderful tool to use. Reading the news isn't enough. You also need tools to help you make smart choices. Not only that, it's accessible to everyone. Articles on MarketWatch are written in plain English, so even someone with no background in finance won't be overwhelmed by the subject. They also include sections that are easy for newcomers to understand, which cover the fundamentals of trading and investing. Number 3. CNBC. Next one is CNBC. CNBC is the website for those who like to see the stock market develop in real time. If you want the most recent headlines, live updates, and professional analysis, that is the Netflix of stock market news, this site has you covered. What makes CNBC so particularly unique? First of all, let us consider that it is a comprehensive multimedia experience rather than only a web page. CNBC provides live TV shows, so you may follow financial news as it develops during the daytime. If you enjoy keeping a constant connection to the markets all day long, that is ideal. CNBC features a whole section devoted to live stock quotes if you're seeking real-time updates. You follow breaking news, track particular equities, and monitor the indices as they migrate, like having a stock ticker on steroids right in front of you. And here's another incredible thing: how brilliantly CNBC covers world markets. CNBC's got you covered whether you want to understand how worldwide patterns are changing or how foreign events affect US stocks. CNBC provides you ideas from all across the world, including news from Europe, Asia, and everywhere else. If you wish a comprehensive perspective on the stock market, this makes this the ideal place. Still, we find great enjoyment in CNBC because of its accessibility. Understanding what they are talking about does not depend on your level of Wall Street expertise. Their material is easy to follow, brief, and straightforward. You won't feel overwhelmed by jargon, whether it's a live broadcast, a brief stock report, or an in-depth article. But well, let's say you also want to hear from subject matter experts and even more in-depth analysis. Another site offers you precisely that and loads of insider knowledge. Stick with us as we unveil the site. Number 4. Seeking Alpha. Okay, it's time to discuss Seeking Alpha if you're ready to apply your knowledge of financial markets to the next level. Investors looking for thorough research, insights, and forecasts will find ideal fit on this website. Professional investors as well as regular people gather on this forum to offer opinions on stocks, trends, and the state of the economy. What therefore distinguishes Seeking Alpha from all else? First of all, it is mostly about thorough investigation. While other websites concentrate on stock prices or breaking news, Seeking Alpha offers thorough research on certain companies, sectors, or even whole industries. Articles covering topics beyond the obvious level will dissect why some stocks are rising or declining, as well as possible future influencing elements. Especially fantastic is the range of contributors to the pieces. Professional analysts, seasoned investors, even lone traders offering their opinions on the market. The best thing about this network of people that enjoy sharing their knowledge is you may learn from every one of them. Seeking Alpha contains all you need regardless of your viewpoint, positive or bearish. You will encounter a range of points of view, which will guide your actions in a wiser manner. Transcripts of Seeking Alpha's earnings calls are another important distinction from other sites. Here's when things get truly fascinating. Seeking Alpha releases the whole transcript of a company's quarterly earnings call following a report of those results. CEOs and CFOs address investors directly here, outlining corporate performance, future objectives, and any possible difficulties. These transcripts are valuable if you take comprehension of a company's situation and strategy very seriously. And here's another thing that would greatly simplify your life. Seeking Alpha provides a subscription service with access to special materials like premium articles, in-depth research, and stock recommendations from elite investors. Your investment strategy may be much changed by having an insider's view of the market. But we know what you're thinking. That's great. But what if we just want a quick and simple way to track the stock market without all the heavy analysis? We will reveal it in just a bit. We have the fantastic site for that. Number 5. Investing.com. Lastly, let's discuss Investing.com. This is the website you need if you're looking for a straightforward but effective approach to monitor the stock market with least disturbance. Providing real-time stock quotations as well as economic calendars and even technical analysis. Investing.com is like the Swiss Army knife of financial news. Why therefore should you give Investing.com some thought? It is first quite straightforward to use. Arriving on the homepage, you are met with a neat, no-nonsense layout that provides instant access to all you require. You may find all right there, orderly arranged, whether your interests are in market news, currency fluctuations, or current stock prices. But diving into their tools and resources will really bring magic. Investing.com provides a selection of free interactive tools that simplify tracking particular stocks, market index comparison, and investment performance monitoring. Their economic calendar is quite interesting as well. Investors who wish to keep on top of forthcoming financial events, such as earnings reports, central bank meetings, or GDP releases. Investing.com guarantees that you know exactly when and where these events are occurring, greatly affecting the market. It's like having a financial planner right at your hands. Investing.com also features a mobile app, so you may remain current wherever you are. Available on both iOS and Android, it's simple to view your portfolio, monitor live stock tickets, and get quick price movement alerts. You won't miss a crucial update whether you're at home, on a lunch break, on your way here. The best thing is that it also is free. Perfect if you're just starting out or want to avoid subscription expenses. Investing.com provides you access to a ton of tools and features without asking you to open your wallet. Our stock market update for the day will stop here. Please subscribe for more helpful videos and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Are there any other websites that you particularly like for breaking stock news? Leave them in the comments section with your opinions. Make sure you stay updated. Thanks for tuning in.